Welcome everyone to break 390 for the 2012 Panini Signature Series baseball box. Thanks everyone for getting in and all of you watching. Let's check the current date and time according to eBay. It's Monday, January 21st. It's Martin Luther King Day. It's 10:12 p.m. Eastern Time and 7:12 p.m. Pacific Time. In the break, we have Terry with 6 spots, Dan with 7, Dustin 1, Zaw 5, Pi 1, Creo 2, Huddy 1, Bat 1, Drew 1, Tom 3, and USMC with 2 spots. We'll randomize everyone 7 times to determine your team or teams for the break. Terry's on top, US on the bottom. Good luck. Once, twice, 3 times, 4, 5, 6, and lucky number 7 has Tom on top and Terry on the bottom. So let's go through and see who has what. Thomas had the Diamondbacks, Terry Braves, Thomas Orioles, Dan C Red Sox, Bat Cubs, White Sox, Terry Reds, Creo Indians, Terry Rockies, Dan C Tigers, Drew Astros, Thomas Royals, Dan C Angels, Pi Dodgers, Dustin Marlins, Zaw Brewers, Dan C Twins, Zaw Mets, US Yankees, Terry Athletics, Dan C Phillies, US Pirates, Zaw Padres, Terry with the Giants, Zaw Mariners, Dan Cardinals, Huddy with the Rays, Creo Rangers, Dan C Blue Jays, and last but not least, Terry with the Washington Nationals. And for those of you just joining, looking for 396, that'll be after this break. Alright, so here we are. All sealed up 2012 Panini 6 Series, 6 cards, 3 autos. Always a good time. If we pull Los Angeles, Chicago, or New York, we'll have to look those up because it just says that. The city doesn't have to tell you the team name on those guys. No big deal. There. And everything will ship. So good luck. First up, we have Alex Avila with Detroit. Detroit Tigers. Josh Beckett for Los Angeles. So we'll look him up. It's going to be the Dodgers or the Angels. Oh, the Detroit. Prince Fielder. No, I don't see two of the same team in the 6 series. Ryan Cook for the Oakland A's, rated rookie game ball. Sweet. Nice auto, number 46. And that is number 26 out of 299. There we go. And that's for the A's. We have a Wellington Castillo, rated rookie MLB Player's Choice, and that's for Chicago, so we'll look it up, see if it's the Cubs or White Sox. That's 168 out of 299. And then last but not least, we have a Panini Signature Stars, Josh Hamilton, Texas Baseball. Let's see what this guy's numbered out of. 14 out of 25 for the Texas Rangers. Very nice. All right, let's go back through and see who's what. Let's grab the two Detroit guys real quick. Avila and Prince Fielder. So Detroit is going to Dan C, 1921. Congratulations, Dan. Last base. We Josh Beckett for Los Angeles, so we'll have to check him out. So there is the Dodgers. So the Dodgers is going to Pi 2525. Other one we'll look up is Wellington Castillo. That has Chicago. The White Sox popping up there. But this will be interesting. He's on the White Sox right now, but this is 2012. 2012 is Chicago Cubs. Chicago Cubs going their bad FL 65. Chicago Cubs. The Oakland A's of Ryan Cook. He's not having it. There's Oakland. Oakland Athletics is going Terry Arm 21. Congratulations, Terry. And then last but not least, 14 out of 25. For the Texas Rangers, Josh Hamilton. Let's see who has Texas. That is going to Creolas. Congratulations. And that was break 390 for the 2012 Panini Signature Series. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click that big red button next to your thumbs right now. Click the bell for all our future updates. Check us out on social media and our eBay store at P2J Sports Cards. Stick around for the bonus break spot. We'll get all these packaged up, shipped out first thing in the morning, and hope to see you guys soon. Thanks.